be seeing here, you may remember me from such videos as how to install Recaro seats in your 79 and also how to install DCS batteries underneath the hood. In this video I've got a new product here, obviously see what I'm actually putting in. I've got away with the 95 litre Waco with the drop down fridge slide to save a bit of weight. I'm on a 110 litre upright Waco fridge, and this bad boy right here is a new product just from Wiggly Engineering, and that's the fridge cradle for it. So hang around and check out how to install it. First thing to do is to unwrap it and see what we've got. It's all put together. The easiest way that I found was to start from one side, put the back on, and only do the nuts up loosely. Obviously, put the other side on, and then whack the top on, and then just do everything up tight and make sure you got it nice and square. It honestly took me probably about 10 minutes to do that. So I reckon it looks pretty flash. I like how they've done the Wiggly Engineering logo in it. You got air vents here, you got air vents on either side. The only other thing I can do now is to whack it in the canopy, so we'll do that. Canopy fit out's pretty much done. I'll just wait on one more thing to come. As you can see, some bozo forgot to actually do the actual fridge cage install with the fridge. She's all in there now. Nice and full of beer. It's been working a treat. I did modify a little bit the fridge cage. I actually cut out a little bit of a area up the top, and what I did there is I actually put a fan in, blowing air in from this way and then sucking out the hot air that way. It just makes the fridge work a little bit more efficient. But yeah, as you can see, it looks good, it's in there, that's the main thing. Can't really think of anything more to talk about it. If you want a sticker, send me a message on Instagram and I'll get your details and I'll send one out to you. Anyway, if you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up.